In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana project to CSV and open it in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and useful process if you want to review your project data outside of Asana, share it in a spreadsheet format, or do some additional sorting and analysis in Excel. The good news is that the whole process only takes a moment once you know where to click. To begin, open the Asana project you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct project before moving on, especially if you manage multiple projects or workspaces. Taking a second to confirm this now can help you avoid exporting the wrong set of tasks later. Once the project is open, go to the top of the page and look for the drop-down menu next to the project title. This menu contains several project-related options, including sharing and export tools. Click that drop-down menu to reveal the available actions. From there, hover over the option labeled Export or Share. When the submenu appears, select CSV. Asana will then generate a downloadable CSV file for that project. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's download bar or your computer's downloads folder. After the file has finished downloading, open Microsoft Excel. In Excel, click File, then Open, and select the downloaded CSV file. Once you open it, the project data will appear in spreadsheet form, allowing you to view and work with the information more easily. If the formatting looks a little unusual at first, that's normal with CSV files because they store raw spreadsheet data in a very simple format. You can adjust column widths, apply filters, or save the file as a standard Excel workbook if you plan to continue editing it. That's all there is to it. You open the Asana project, use the menu next to the project title, choose Export or Share, select CSV, and then open the downloaded file in Excel. It's a quick workflow that makes your project information easier to organize, review, and share in a familiar spreadsheet layout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yin.